In this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through how to increase your Chime SpotMe limit. If you've been using Chime and are curious about how you can get a bit more flexibility with your SpotMe limit, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open the Chime app on your mobile device and sign into your account. This is the starting point for accessing all your Chime features, including SpotMe. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom of your screen for the settings icon. Give that a tap, and then select the SpotMe option from the menu. This will take you to the section where you can view your current SpotMe limit and see some essential eligibility information. Now, here's how it works. Chime automatically reviews your account and considers several factors to determine whether to increase your SpotMe limit. These factors include the amount and frequency of your direct deposits, how actively you use your account, and your overall account history. So, it's really beneficial to keep your account in good standing, as this can positively influence your SpotMe eligibility. Additionally, there is another way to temporarily boost your SpotMe limit, and that's through SpotMe boosts. These are essentially increases that you can receive from friends who also use Chime. If a friend sends you a SpotMe boost, your limit will temporarily increase, giving you a little extra breathing room when you need it. And that's all there is to it. By maintaining an active account and keeping an eye on your SpotMe section, you can see potential increases in your limit over time. Remember, Chime is continuously reviewing your account, so staying engaged with your account activities can lead to positive changes. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident about managing and potentially increasing your Chime SpotMe limit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep checking your SpotMe section for any updates.